Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix age verification on Tinder. Now I've just downloaded Tinder on my mobile phone and let me sign in with my Gmail account. Now I'm gonna put my phone number here and the Tinder will SMS me the code and copy paste this code, hit next. Now your name and year birthday. Now you should be above 18 to get age verification for Tinder. So I'm gonna put my birthday and hit next. Now that's the only verification you need for age verification. And that's it guys. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.